Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete large files from your Outlook Outbox. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, give it a moment to fully load all your emails and folders. This ensures that everything is synced properly before you start making any changes to your Outbox. Now, once your email interface is loaded completely, direct your attention to the inbox pane on the left side of your screen. This is where all your emails and email folders are organized. You'll see various folders like Inbox, Sent Items, Drafts, and others listed here. Take a moment to locate your Outbox folder within this pane. The Outbox is where emails sit when they're queued to be sent but haven't been delivered yet, and this is often where large files can get stuck if they're too big to send through your email server. After you've found your Outbox folder, go ahead and right-click directly on it. This action will trigger a context menu to appear, showing you several options for managing that folder. From this list of options, you'll want to look for and click on the Cleanup folder option. This feature is specifically designed to help you remove unnecessary or problematic items from your Outbox, including those large files that might be preventing your other emails from sending. When you click this option, Outlook will automatically scan the folder and remove redundant or stuck items, which typically includes those oversized attachments that are causing issues. And that's all there is to it. You've now cleared out those large files from your Outlook Outbox, which should help improve your email performance and prevent future sending issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.